in Ogaming Village already. We're going to the observatory where you can see the whole village. So it might be top higher.
You're saying there are only 3,000
Only 3,000 residents now, but they live a long life.
Diretso tayo. Turn left 50 meters. Ito, papasok tayo dito.
Yes.
Wow.
Turn left.
Clear ba?
Yeah,
Clear,
clear naman.
clear, clear. Ang clear mo.
Go up tayo. Ay, clear na. Clear.
Direction.
In 200 meters, your destination will be on the right.
Huh?
Destination will be right 200 meters. Bakit pala ito?
Go up kasi it's an observatory.
Wow.
Pag nag-stay, may homestay siya dito eh. Ogaming Village.
Hirap na ito, may kasalubong dito.
So you have the mirrors.
Clear, oh. Clear, clear.
Scary, no?
Your destination is on the right.
Right. Where is the right? Where?
Naku, pinakit man tayo dito.
Okay. We have to go back down.
Kaso, ito. Papakit masyado. Wala mong backing dito.
Yeah.
Ito siguro backing, oh.
Okay.
No?
Observation deck to. Are we here already? Lampas na tayo eh. We have to go back in there.
Ang taas.
Oh my God, so scary. We got lost.
Alam mo yung deck mo. Sige, direction tayo.
Can't stop here sa Grand View. Ano ba?
Ito, backing tayo dito.
Yeah. But let's park muna. Let's observe.
Ito daw.
Yeah, park here.
Here.
Let's